Now let's take a look at this figure 21-52, and we're dealing with tank vehicles and tank cars. And they're located outside, in outside locations, in accordance with NEC 515.3 as well as the table 515.3 where we get these dimensions. But let's take a look at the top illustration there. And at the very top we have to the left bottom loading with atmospheric vent. Now, notice that we have the first 3 foot as a Class 1 Division 1. Then out to 15 feet total. After you subtract the 3 foot, I guess it'd be 12 foot there. That would be a Class 1 Division 2. Then 18 inches above grade below the car tank, vehicle tank. Then notice it's 10 foot from the center in any direction up to 18 inches would be a Class 1 Division 2 area. Now moving to the right, we have a closed dome, with vapor recovery. It's a Class 1 Division 2 area, period, as you see in the illustration, with no classification at the grade level below the tank car or truck or whatever you want to call it. And then at the very bottom of the illustration, we pick up the 3 foot, which is a Class 1 Division 2, as you see in the drawing, and then the 18-inch above grade below it, 10 feet from the center each way, as you see in the illustration, is Class 1 Division 2. Now moving over to open dome type loading, then notice again here, 3 foot is Class 1 Division 1, and then 15 foot overall. But when you take 3 foot from the 15 foot, the 12 foot, from that point would be Class 1 Division 2. And that's what this figure 21-52 is illustrating to the user of the NEC when they're dealing with tank vehicles and tank cars in outside locations.